Cutting MDF with a table saw might seem straightforward, but many DIYers and woodworkers run into a frustrating issue. Tighter cuts at the top and wider at the bottom, creating a wedge-shaped gap. This common mistake is often caused by misalignment between the blade and the fence, an out-of-square blade, or slight flexing in the saw's structure. To fix this, start by checking your blade alignment using a reliable square or digital inclinometer on both sides of the blade. If you notice discrepancies, adjust the trunnions or motor mount to bring the blade into the proper position. Next, ensure your fence is perfectly parallel to the blade. Misalignment can force the material into the blade at an angle, leading to uneven cuts. One of the best ways to learn proper table saw alignment and woodworking techniques is through Teds Woodworking, a comprehensive resource packed with expert tips and step-by-step guides. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, this collection of 16,000 woodworking plans provides valuable insights on setting up your tools correctly, improving accuracy, and avoiding costly mistakes. Checking your fence alignment is crucial, and Teds Woodworking offers detailed plans to help you master precision cutting with ease. If your table saw has a slight flex or wobble, reinforcing the base and checking for loose bolts can make a significant difference in cut accuracy. Another common culprit is blade deflection, especially when cutting dense materials like MDF. Using a high-quality, sharp blade with a proper tooth count designed for MDF can help minimize this. Additionally, slow and steady feed rates prevent the blade from flexing mid-cut. Always secure the material properly and use feather boards if necessary to keep the stock firmly against the fence. Dust buildup can also impact accuracy, so keeping the saw clean and well-maintained is essential. Finally, if your cuts are still inconsistent, try a zero-clearance insert to support the material better and prevent tear-out. By addressing these key factors, blade alignment, fence precision, saw stability, and blade quality, you can achieve cleaner, perfectly square MDF cuts and avoid the dreaded wedge effect that ruins your projects. For those looking to take their woodworking skills to the next level, Teds Woodworking is a must-have resource. With the world's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plans, you can learn everything from tool calibration to advanced joinery techniques, ensuring your projects turn out flawless every time.